Welcome to Manualskart.com, where you can find manuals at best price. Heavy equipment breakdowns cost time, money, and productivity. Calling technicians every time, waiting for parts, guessing repairs without proper guidance. One wrong repair decision can lead to expensive downtime. There is a smarter way to repair and maintain heavy equipment. Manualskart.com, your trusted source for professional heavy equipment manuals. Instant access to OEM quality PDF manuals like service repair, parts catalog and operator manuals. Manualskart.com supports major brands including Caterpillar, John Deere, Case IH, Komatsu, New Holland, Volvo, and many more. Perfect for mechanics, workshops, fleet owners, contractors, equipment owners. Step-by-step repair procedures, clear diagrams and illustrations, factory specifications, professional level documentation. Reduce repair costs, minimize machine downtime, fix equipment with confidence. No guesswork, no trial and error. Download your manual instantly. PDF format, works on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Affordable pricing, wide manual collection, fast and secure access, trusted by professionals worldwide. Hydraulic issue? Electrical problem? Engine repair? Manualskart manuals guide you step by step. When accuracy matters, professionals choose Manualskart.com. Visit Manualskart.com. Find your machine. Download the right manual. Start repairing today. Need help finding the correct manual? Email manualskart@gmail.com. Website manualskart.com. Manualskart.com. Knowledge that keeps your machines running.